More than 15 hours ago, Whale Alert Crypto Tracker, which traces large crypto transfers made by whales and exchanges, detected a massive SHIB amount moved by a crypto wallet. The transaction was conducted between wallets tagged by the blockchain tracker as unknown, and it carries several trillion Shiba Inu meme coins. Over the weekend, the SHIB price demonstrated a series of upward movements. 4.4 trillion SHIB on move, new whale is born. According to the X post published by the aforementioned tracker, one anonymous wallet sent a total of 4,439,530,677,374 SHIB to another wallet. This amount of SHIB meme coins is evaluated at $35,824,792. Notably, the transaction landed in a brand new wallet, with only 2 transfers performed around 12 hours ago, so with these trillions of SHIB reaching this fresh blockchain address, a new Shiba Inu whale has been born. This transfer was likely a sale or a crypto whale splitting their SHIB trillions between several wallets that belong to the same owner. Several similar chunks of SHIB were moved by anonymous whales last week, according to earlier reports by Whale Alert. Some of those 4.3 trillion SHIB lumps were bought on Amsterdam-based exchange Bitvevo and then withdrawn to self-custody wallets. According to data shared by Into the Block on-chain data agency, over the weekend, the number of large Shiba Inu transactions surged by 41.45%, with the volume constituting $45.42 million. These large transactions were valued at $100,000 or more in SHIB equivalent. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez has tweeted that right now there is a massive inflow in various cryptocurrencies, nearly $10.97 billion. This is the highest level this year so far, and it indicates high investor confidence in this nascent type of asset. Shibarium approaches big new milestone. Data shared by the Shibarium Skin Explorer shows that at the moment, the Layer 2 blockchain solution for Shiba Inu, Shibarium, is closely approaching a big new utility milestone, 4 million transactions. At the moment, the overall transaction count stands at 3,821,096 with the number of daily transactions reaching 10,580 after several big jumps in September and October. On October 25th, it went high to the 65,570 level, falling the following day and moving in the 10,580 range since then. SHIB market performance. As mentioned above, over the weekend, the SHIB price demonstrated a jump of 5.75%, followed by a small drop, then going up by a 2.69% increase on Sunday. Over the span of the last 24 hours, the second largest dog-themed coin, SHIB, has gone up by a meager 1.27% and is trading at $0.00000815 at press time. In a stunning turn of events, the Shiba Inu token Shivast has witnessed remarkable on-chain dynamics, marked by an unprecedented surge in large transactions. Blockchain analytics platform Into the Block has revealed a notable spike in transactions valued at $100,000 or more. Over the past 24 hours, whale transactions involving SHIB have experienced explosive growth, skyrocketing by $33.78 million, a staggering surge of 420%. This sudden uptick has led to a jaw-dropping 4.11 trillion SHIB tokens being exchanged, catapulting the total daily transactions to an extraordinary 5.44 trillion. Source, Into the Block. The primary catalyst behind this astounding jump on-chain was the transfer of a whopping 4.4 trillion tokens from one anonymous wallet to another, amounting to $35.82 million in SHIB value. As reported by U.Today, this transaction took place on a newly created wallet, with only 2 transfers occurring approximately 12 hours ago. This flurry of massive transactions of the Shiba Inu token coincided with a sharp increase in SHIB's price. Currently trading at $0.00000815, SHIB's price hints at an imminent breakout after consolidating over the past 10 days. This marks the highest token price since the end of August when the Shibarium project was launched, underscoring the significance of this recent surge. SHIB to USD by CoinMarketCap. As the SHIB community watches in awe, the token continues to make waves, leaving traders and enthusiasts eagerly anticipating what the future holds for this popular digital asset. Shiba Inu Shivast entered this week on a strong note and amid a broader sentiment of altcoin consolidation. While industry leader Bitcoin's cost is down by 0.88%, Shiba Inu has managed to pick up 0.88% growth at the time of writing to $0.00000869, flashing an optimistic view toward this new week. 3 Shiba Inu triggers. As the week is shaping up and Shiba Inu is showing growth divergence from Bitcoin, 3 key factors that can accelerate its growth performance include its trading volume and whale action, its deflationary or burn rate, and Shibarium total value locked, TVL. The rate at which the free market stacks up Shiba Inu is crucial as it will not only drive up trading volume but will help boost liquidity to support a healthy market. The goal in this regard is simple and is based on building on the current growth trends in this metric, which are up by 71% to $193,840,004 in the past 24 hours. Contributions from whales are also billed to impact this metric, as a positive uptick from large buyers can make a significant difference. Shiba Inu's burn rate has formed an anchor for the better part of the year at times when all other metrics are not having as much impact. The burn rate is currently in its most distressed state, with just about 1.3 million SHIB tokens burned thus far. An uptick in this metric can change the game significantly concerning price. Shibarium factor. The last key factor to watch out for is Shibarium. Will the chain run smoothly moving forward? Will new decentralized applications that can drive transaction surges be launched? Will an attack occur? A favorably managed protocol can return confidence to users and investors in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and change the game for all stakeholders this week and beyond. On the hourly chart, the price of SHIB might have set a local peak at $0.00000832. If the decline continues and the daily bar closes far from that mark, the correction may lead to a test of the support level at $0.00000789 soon. Image by TradingView. On the bigger time frame, traders should pay attention to the resistance level formed by the false breakout. If the candle closes with a long wick, bears might locally seize the initiative, which could lead to a drop to the $0.000080 zone next week. Image by TradingView. A slightly different picture is on the weekly chart. If the bar closes above the previous candle peak, traders are likely to see a further upward move to the next resistance level at $0.00000854. SHIB is trading at $0.00000817 at press time. Shiba Inu to get tested. Shiba Inu's Shivest has recently garnered significant attention as it approaches a critical resistance level. A closer examination of the Shivest daily chart reveals a tactful tussle between bullish hope and bearish realism. After enduring a prolonged downtrend, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency has seen a notable upsurge in its market activity. However, it has been met with a robust resistance level that has proven to be a tough nut to crack. The resistance in question coincides with the 200-day exponential moving average, EMA. The 200 EMA serves as a barometer for the asset's health over a protracted time frame. For Shiba Inu, which is now witnessing its price orbit this significant average, the anticipation of a decisive move has intensified. However, such optimism must be tempered with caution. Shiba Inu's recent attempts to breach this line have been met with stiff resistance. The consequence of these repeated rejections could be twofold. On the one hand, each failure to surpass the 200 EMA can weaken the resolve of bulls, potentially leading to a loss of momentum and a subsequent price retracement. Technically, the situation is tantalizing. The convergence of the shorter-term EMAs below the price suggests an underlying bullish sentiment. The trading volume, while not overwhelming, has been sufficient to support the recent price actions. Furthermore, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, remains in a neutral position, leaving room for upward movement without immediate overbought concerns.